Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile DNA motoring tools 00220 Power Rotary Toolkit, a 3.7 volts cordless mini grinder that's your go-to for drilling, grinding, polishing, engraving, and cutting. This precision tool is the culmination of extensive research and rigorous testing, ensuring durability and readiness for any task you throw its way. Included in this multifunction kit are a cordless rotary tool, an accessory case, a spanner, a bristle brush, milling bits, a sanding shank, and a variety of sanding bands, drill bits, felt wheels, a USB charging cable, diamond bits, grinding wheels, sanding paper, cutting discs, and a collet for sanding paper. With 3 adjustable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 15,000 RPM, this lightweight and portable tool caters to all your material needs, making it easy to carry in your bag wherever you go. The technical specifications boast a power of 3.7 volts DC, a maximum collect chuck size of 2.35 millimeters, a quick 2-hour charging time, and a sound pressure level of 61 decibels, ensuring a smooth and efficient operation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this tool is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from milling and brushing to engraving and rust removal, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.